One of the things first graders know is that subtraction, it can get a little tricky. So in this series of videos, I'm going to teach some strategies we can use to do subtraction. I can't wait for you to watch and hopefully learn some tips. So we're going to do another subtraction strategy, and this one I actually find easiest if I'm using my fingers to teach you and for you to learn it. So let's say I have 4 take away 2. If we had our small objects, we'd have 4 small objects, and I take 2 away to show 2 is left. Now another way we can look at subtraction is using our number line, like this one.
Let's start with the problem. We have 4 take away 3. So let's use our strategy of pictures. So I would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, cross out 1, 2, 3, leaving my answer, which is 1. What would this look like on a number line? Well, let's start with our 4, because that's what we start with. And I ended on 1. How many apart is that? Let's take a look at seeing how many apart is that. 1, 2, 3. So we had 3 steps backwards to make it to 1. Let's see if that works with another problem. So let's see, my next problem is going to be one that we may not have done before and is a little trickier. This time, instead of 4 take away 3, I'm going to have 10 take away 6. If I'm doing it in a picture, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I would take my 6 and cross them out. 4, 5, 6, leaving me with my answer 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know 10 take away 6 is 4. Now, last time we saw, we start with this number and end with this number, and we found the jumps was this number. Let's see if that'll work again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, we jump the number that we've subtracted by. This must mean if we're counting backwards, we are jumping between numbers on a number line or just counting backwards because 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, ending with 4.
So that number line tells us that subtraction can also be seen as counting backwards. So let's say I have 5 and I'm going to count backwards because I want to take away 2. So I start with 5, and for me, doing this on my hand makes it easy to remember where I am. So I'm 5, 4, that's taking away 1, 3. So that tells me my answer is 3 for 5 take away 2. Let's try another one. I have 10 and I want to take away 5. So let's count backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, I've subtracted 5 and ended on 5. So 10 take away 5 is 5. Let's do one more. 12 take away 8. So if I have 12 and I want to take away 8, I'm going to start counting backwards. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So as you can see, I've put up 8 fingers because I counted backwards 8 numbers. So 12 take away 8 was the number I landed on, which was 4. So that is subtraction by counting backwards.